Set up for the 2023 Rampage weekend, and so we got the ARCYLON set up right into the receiver. ARCYLON obviously has a built-in receiver that allows you to plug in another rack into it. I'm utilizing the short hitch, so it basically sucks in the 40 fiber here. That's a 5-pack setup, and that's how we came in. One of the things to note on the ARCYLON are these wheel chokes or spacers that you can pretty much set to any distance to get it just right for the front wheel. That way it can't turn side to side, so it pretty much locks in the bike once you load it. If you leave the strap on like this, once you load it, you pretty much locks in the bike, so you can let go of it and then step back and raise the rear swing arm and get it in. Note for Suron, you come in all the way on the number 3 all the way out. It's usually for mountain bikes and dirt bikes, believe it or not. And yeah, this is in anodized orange with OD green, and you have the arms in gloss black. We recently did one in tan and black, which looks really good. We might be producing that again next. This hitch is zinc hipped, just in case you were wondering, and it's clear coated. Again, this is Ali with ALTA racks, and this is the setup for this weekend.